News. What if I told you that a single dollar invested today could become hundreds of dollars in the future? What if I told you that ordinary people become millionaires?
Most people look at $100 and think it's too small to matter. But compound interest sees that same $100 very differently. It sees potential.
Millionaires understand something that most people ignore. Money can work for you. Instead of trading every hour for dollars, they invest and allow time. Imagine a student who starts saving just $50 every month. That amount doesn't seem life-changing. Many people spend more than that on coffee, snacks, or subscriptions.
The first investment earns returns. Then those returns start earning returns. Then those new returns earn even more returns. Here's the simple idea. You invest money. Your money grows. Instead of spending those gains, you leave them invested. It's virus. At first, growth looks small. Many people quit because they don't see instant results. But compound interest rewards patience. One person spends every extra dollar today. Another person invests that same dollar. 10 years later, the difference becomes noticeable.
Starting early matters more than investing large amounts later. Time gives compound interest room to work. This is why many wealthy people focus on consistency rather than perfection. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They start investing, stay disciplined. The secret isn't investing once. The secret is investing again and again, month after month, year after year. Consistency creates momentum. Think of compound interest like a snowball, rolling downhill. Then it becomes larger and seems unstoppable. That's exactly how wealth is built. Many didn't win lotteries. They invested consistently. They allowed compound interest to work. That's how ordinary people achieve results. The best day to start investing was years ago. The second best day is today. You don't need to be rich to begin. You need to begin so that one day you can become rich. Wealth is not built overnight. It takes patience, discipline, and compound interest. Start applying what you learn immediately. Subscribe.